KHASI.
Ki Dr. Meghalaya Ïasnoh Kylleng ke Jingiakhih ke bala penlong Kylleng kari menta KHASI Halor ke Jingshah le Beijot bat syak penyap jong kewe ke doktor Kolkata. Dah keba dawa ban pen shitom ting yakini ki riu runar bat kerpat yaki bor kaan ban pentikna ke Jingshah jong ki doktor. Hakani ke Jingiakhih balas dang naduk kapor henriu beje men step. Hakaba ki outpatient bat ki weki kam ki bom da long kongsan kila sange trikam namar ba ki doktor Kylleng ki hospital Shillong bat ki weki benta jong ka jela ki let shaka Jingiakhih ke babaro shisngi ke balapen long da ka Indian Medical Association. Ki doktor ki laya lumlang pelau jong ki hospital da ka badeng ya ki ribon rongyong bat ra ru ringkat ki plakat ban penklan ya ka jingdawa jong ki. Kat tu kat ni nikidur na Woodland Hospital Shillong, Nazareth Hospital Shillong, Bethany Hospital Shillong, Supercare Hospital Shillong, kila sakhi yakini ki ju ki Jingiakhih balapin long deki doktor Hanagrams. Ki doktor kila yalumlang bat ishimenta hakani ke Jingiakhih. Kani ke jing sange terikam jong ki doktor kalakta juri ki jaka ai jing sumar Kylleng ke Meghalaya.
During their professional commitments.
So we are all protesting against this, and we hope that justice is brought and all involved, the doctors, the politicians, and whoever are behind all this, the nexus that is there, it should be brought to book and justice should be given.
Whatever has happened, it is something very tragic and unfortunate, and it is in the harshest of terms. We should at least say that these things should not be repeated ever.